Well, sorry about that, students. My phone is running dangerously low on charge and it quit recording partway through. So I'm going to try to pick up approximately where we left off. So because covalent substances are volatile, that means they become gases easily, they mix with the air, and some of those molecules may get to our nose. And we detect some of those molecules as smells. Now, it could be a nice smell, but I'll let you think about this. You know, when you're driving by that farm field that's spread with fresh fertilizer, our fresh dairy air, right? Okay. Last one, they're poor conductors. Okay, poor conductors of electricity. So think about in covalent bonding, you've got the atom over here wants more electrons, the atom over here wants more electrons. They try to take the electrons away, but now the electrons are locked up between the atoms. The overall molecule is neutral, so there's no charges that can move around. If the molecule goes somewhere, well, the molecule's neutral, that's not carrying electricity. The electrons aren't moving around, so they're not carrying electricity. Contrast that to metals, where the electrons can move easily, that's carrying electricity, or ionic compounds. Now, normally they don't conduct, but if you melt them, now the ions themselves, which are charged, can move around. Or if you dissolve them in water, the ions can move around, carrying charge. So, to sum that up, covalent compounds are molecular, meaning made of molecules. They have low melting points in general, volatile, they become gases easy. With that, they may have an odor. Now, I'm not saying that all covalent compounds have odor, but if you have a compound with a strong odor, it's probably covalent. And covalent compounds are poor conductors, even when melted or dissolved. I'm going to just finish up with these two terms to hit one more time. I've been using this word molecule a lot, so you can see that that's a kind of a key point. A neutral group of covalently bonded atoms. Here's 4 atoms bonded together. The nitrogen brought with it 5 valence electrons. Each hydrogen brought 1. That's 8 valence electrons. There's no extra, and it's not short. It's a neutral group. Down here we have a polyatomic ion. Somewhere in that structure is 1 extra electron. So the structure has a charge. It is an ion. Okay? And because it's more than one atom, it's a polyatomic ion. Poly means more than one. So really, the difference between a molecule and a polyatomic ion, they both have covalent bonding, but the polyatomic ion has a charge. All right. That's all I wanted to get here to for today. Phone was just not being cooperative on